Shade cloth experiment number 1. Now the sun is not hitting the garden yet, but when it is, these 4 bell peppers here will look like they are dying. They are flowering, they're starting to produce some fruit, but they, as you can see, do not have shade cloth over them, and they do not have shade cloth over them. 5 days ago, I grabbed some of my step-in fence posts, which I'll link to below. You can use whatever you have. Tied it down with jute, uncovered these here. These otherwise have been treated the exact same way. It's only been 5 days since these peppers have been covered with shade cloth. Look how much taller they are. Look how much healthier they are. They have more blossoms on them. They look happier. It's very simple. It's affordable. And in this brave new world, I recommend shade cloth. I'll link to what I use here below, so that, but I would probably not go above 40%. This is 40% shade cloth that I use. Use what you have, but I highly recommend shade cloth because the weather is just going to get crazier and crazier in this brave new world, and we must react as gardeners. Non-toxic out.